Are you a freelancer looking to save time and earn more money? In this video, I'm sharing 5 AI tools that can literally transform your freelance business. Stay tuned. Welcome to AI Income Hub. We help freelancers and online workers master AI to work smarter and earn more. 1. Jasper AI. Create amazing content, social media posts, or proposals in minutes. Perfect for copywriting, marketing, and client work. 2. Canva AI. Design graphics, presentations, and social media visuals effortlessly. AI suggestions speed up your workflow. 3. Notion AI. Organize clients, projects, and content. Automate repetitive tasks and track income. 4. ElevenLabs AI Voice. Generate professional voiceovers for your videos or client projects without recording yourself. 5. Tome AI. Create automated presentations and pitch decks in minutes. Great for client proposals or personal projects. If you want to try these tools, all the links are in the description. Subscribe for weekly AI tutorials to grow your freelance business and stay ahead of the curve.